Welcome to ECOPS Carbon Accounting.
Site and user creation. In this video, we will cover the following activities: site creation, organization, user creation. Site creation. After logging in, click on the Site module and then select Create Site. Fill in the required details. Site name. Site legal name. This should match the site name as per the trade license. Organization. Select the organization from the drop-down. Please note that an organization is already created before creating a site. Sector. Industry type. The available options are displayed based on the selected sector. Country. State. City. Address. Zip code. Email. Contact number. Website. Date of incorporation. Control type. Site. Subtype. Percentage ownership. Land area. You can edit the site details later whenever required. Once all the information is entered, click Save to create the site. Organization user creation. Now, let's create an organization user. Click on Organization User, then select Create. Fill in the required details: username, password, full name, email, phone number.
Organization.
Site. Role. Select the appropriate role from the available options: Site Admin, Site User, Site Tech User. Next, assign the RACI responsibility by selecting one of the following options: responsible, accountable, consulted, informed. Then, assign the required categories based on the user's responsibilities. Finally, click Save to create the organization user. The newly created user will now appear in the organization user list, where you can view and manage user details whenever required.